the 2015 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, air conditioning, front, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, side airbag, rear defrost, power windows. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.